Me and Jacob got so high last night. Like, it was unbelievable, man. Dude, what kind was it? What kind was it, dude? Was it the good stuff? So, it was good. Jake, me and Jake from State Farm. Yeah, me and Jake from State Farm, we kind of broke into your house last night and caught you sleeping with my ex. You did? You slept with, I slept with her? When? When did this ever happen, dude? I was on drugs, I told you earlier. I got some kush, the good stuff. You're just lucky I'm not gonna pop a cap in you. So, bye. Dude, Johnny's on TV. He just went to jail. I just told you that once again just a second ago. But he's in jail, dude. For smoking weed. It's good shit, though. What? So, if he's in jail and you smoked weed with him, shouldn't you be in there with him then? That just makes sense, dude. I ran away. I jumped in the dumpster. He was sitting there running, and they... No, that didn't make sense. They dropped him like a hobo. Cause I'm running. Ow. God, I'm sorry. I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn. I like unicorns. I'm a unicorn. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe down below.